Hello everyone, friends. Today on the channel I'll show you how to use shaders with mods in Minecraft. For this we first need the shaders themselves. Let's go to the browser. Complementary shaders. Yes, let's go to Forge, Files. I'll be demonstrating on version 1, 21.8. Accordingly, I'm selecting the latest one. Click download. Next we need Optifine. Go to downloads 1.2, 1.8, click download, and we need Forge itself. For this, go to Forge Minecraft first link 1.2, 1.8, in my case the installer. Here we wait 5 seconds for the download to start. 1. Here I click the skip button for download 2 and then the skip button for 3. Now we have 3 files. With these we can already start working. Next we open Forge, which is the first step. Click Install Client, click OK, click OK. And now Forge 1, 21.8 appears in our launcher. Click on the folder. This can be removed. Next, put your shader packs into the mods folder. If you go back, there's mods here. Drop in our mod, which is Optifine. You can add mods here and then select your shader pack in game. That's it from me. Goodbye everyone.